CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This is a name given to all machines that are controlled by computers. It usually refers to computer-controlled metal lathes and computer-controlled metal milling machines. The CNC controller is the brain of the machine. This is used to start, stop, and run the CNC machine. On simple CNC machines, like the Cool Tools machines, the CNC controller can be a PC. But in industry, CNC machines use specialized controllers that are permanently connected. Metal lathes are used to make most of the accurate circular metal parts you see today. The general name for all lathe operations is turning. Facing is the name of the process on a lathe used to remove a small amount of material, around 1 to 2 millimeter, from the end of the workpiece. This is used to produce smooth and true face, and also to bring the workpiece to the desired length. Parallel turning is the process to move the cutting tool parallel to the workpiece axis in order to reduce its diameter. Taper turning is a process using the lathe to make a taper cone shape. Drilling is the process to make a hole having a specific diameter and depth in material. Threading is done to make spiral or helical cuts on a material. Grooving is the process to make a groove having a specific width and depth into the material. Recessing can be internal, inside groove, or external, outside groove. If the groove cuts all the way through the material, this is called parting off. Boring is the process usually done on a lathe to make a hole wider.